bearded seal, the biggest and fattest seal in the Arctic. Bears and seals have played a cat-and-mouse game on the sea ice for generations. But as the ice melts, the rules are changing. He's trying to master the art of sneaking up on your prey from the water. Nothing to see here. But he can't resist a peek. And now, the stalked becomes the stalker. He's behind you. The seal is showing his attacker that he's blown it. His skills are being tested. This time, there's over 600 feet of open water between them, and nowhere to hide. To disguise himself here, he must become invisible.